Hello, this is the tutorial of your custom accounting software. It is ready, so I'm just gonna go through it pretty quickly. Um, First you log in. I bet you must have watched this interface before. So once you log into it, um, right there, it's just gonna spend about 7 to 8 seconds to load, and you'll have it ready to go. Um, a couple of things you requested for, those four departments and how to give access. So rather than just put that in this video, you're gonna get it in a separate short video when you get the final file, just in case you're gonna share this with your team members. So I don't want to put it together in the same video. Um, okay, so in the guidance, you are pretty much familiar with this. The first thing you want to do is to go to the directory, right? So in the directory, you do not have to fill out all of this. I just created all of this for the future. So, your bank account or cash, you can actually put bank account numbers here. Um, that is pretty much what is important to you at the moment, right? So once you fill that out, this is just test data. Once you fill that out, you have your bank. So let's just add access to this. Access bank. Let me put you know, a fictitious bank account here. So either way, you can either do it this way, right? To have numbers, or actually name of the bank, or even together, whichever way you want. Let's say you do GTB, ETB, and then you want to put some numbers for the bank account, right? You can do it that way. So now, once you put that in, if you like, you can list out your team members, the staff, uh, the members of staff and their names here. Anyways, so that's pretty much that. Then, like you said, once you want to make a sale, right? So for local ticket department, you can see all the way here. Let's just put a quick date. Let's say July 12, right? That this is automated. Let's say you have a name of a client, G, let's call it Ringa Rinze, all right? Let's just put that there. You fill in this itinerary, date of travel, let's say it's August 30, right? And then return date, September 7. You can put your airline, whatever you want there, and then sales. Let's say this person paid 500,000, right? And then the amount issued is 350,000. That's the cost. So you can see your net profits referred by Tunde, vendor, whatever. Then bank account. Let's say we pick that GTB, for example. Boom. So that's it. So now once you enter that easily in August, if you go into your income statement, uh you should come here and click on the year. Make sure. I should click on 2024. Hold on. Did we put August in there? Just a second. Let's double check. Okay, so yeah, what we put in was July, so 500,000 sales. So when you come to the income statement, you can see that right there, 500,000, easy peasy, right? So that's it. If you were to do Visa as well, like we talked about, let's do June 13. Fill in the name of clients. Let's say Visa fee that you took was 200,000. Maybe amount was 120. So and then you come to the bank. This time, let's say you did Fidelity Bank, just saying. So for June, 200,000 should show up. You see that? Yeah, so the cost of sales there, we need to make sure that makes sense. What was our cost of sales? 120,000. Yeah. So let's double check that. Okay, so yeah, here you can see the cost of sales. So pretty much all your revenue from each of the department will come here. Now, when you want to take a look at your so again, I can just quickly talk about this for salaries. Make sure you click on the year, put the name of your employee, amounts they earn. So let's say we'll put in this in January. Nah, sorry, let's put 200 grand. So that will show up. That's the same for all of this for payroll, right? Again, same thing for assets. If you have sorry, if you have assets, you know, just do this, put in your assets, you'll see that all in the video. But let's get straight to what we talked about and just finalize this. Um, yeah, so when you want to look at your cash, right? You can basically just go to the cash, daily cash, or just come here and say on hide, and then you go to cash by day. Once you click on that, you click refresh. Make sure you always click refresh. Now, it's going to tell you 7, like the number of the month. So that's July. This is what entered. And here you can basically see or click on the bank account you want to see. So if it is this bank, GTB, it will tell you everything that came in uh in the month and then the actual dates. If you click on the dates, it will pick and tell you that. Same thing for all the other ones, right? When you come here for Visa, it's just showing Fidelity and it's 200,000, okay? So this is where you can check your cash by bank account. So every other thing, like your expenses, pretty straightforward. Let's say you have another one for July to you can enter the type of expense. If this is the amount, let's say you paid 200,000. From what bank did you pay it, right? If it is from bank or if it's from petty cash, let's say it's from GT Bank. And then what is the classification? So let's say is utilities, for example. Once you do that, and then you go to your income statement, you can see that it's now showing up in utilities, right, for July. So it's pretty straightforward. The other video of how to add or remove users and restrict access, you will get that separately so that it's not part of this video that you might share with the rest of your team. So anyways, you know how that works. Once you're ready and the balance is sent, you get the full uh file, and then you can just pretty much start using the clean version. Please remember that in the income statement, you can toggle between years, right? You can go to 2023, come back to 24, and all of that. Okay. So, all right, I think that's pretty good enough. And let me know once you watch it. Cool. Talk to you pretty soon. Thanks and bye.